Good morning, students. Today we will discuss in lesson 7, that is food production in class 8 biology. And in the previous class I have told you about the different methods of agriculture, modern practices, as well as about the organic farming, the different practices such as crop rotation, multiple cropping, and other methods which are very essential in and it is a technique which are utilized in agricultural purpose. And today we'll discuss about the green revolution. So green revolution, actually it is the revolution, it was started mostly, it is the initiative which was started in the 60s and the 90s, 70s, to create worldwide efforts towards agricultural productivity by using modern agricultural techniques. So this initiative which was started in the 60s and 90s for the production of the high yielding varieties of food grains as well as better quality of food grains. So by using modern agricultural practices, this is called green revolution, and especially to increase the production of the rice and the wheat. And how this green revolution started, as I told you, that the different agricultural techniques which was utilized for this green revolution to improve the production as well as the quality of the food grains, especially the rice and the wheat. So what are the different techniques used? So in this the improved irrigation methods was utilized or used. Second was the use of fertilizers and the pesticides, because the main important use of this fertilizer and pesticide, fertilizer is used to increase the fertility of the soil to whatever the nutrients which are deficient in the soil, they can be gained by using fertilizers, and pesticides mean to kill the pests. So this was also used in the green revolution for the better production of the crops. And third was the management of the crop fields. In management of the crop field, different methods are applied, like how to harvest the crops and how to store the food grains properly. So different management practices and to protect the crop from the pest, and various kinds of techniques which are used so that more and more better production can be increased. And for that, improved variety of seeds were also utilized. Improved variety of seeds can produce better quality or better variety of the crops. And for the high yield varieties of the crops, means production should be high, as well as the disease free crops. So if the seeds are of better quality, means the production of the crops will be also of better variety, as well as high yield will be produced, as well as the disease free crop will be produced. And this green revolution was especially started in the Punjab, Haryana and West Bengal. And the person who is usually associated with this green revolution is the Norman Borlaug, and he was an American agronomist, and he is also known as the father of green revolution. And for his work in this field, he got the Nobel Prize also in 1970. And another scientist, agronomist was M.S. Swaminathan. He was also a leading role. He worked a leading role in this green revolution for the production of the, or to increase the production of the high yielding variety of crops. HYV means high yielding variety of crops or the food grains. So this is all about the green revolution. Now in this chapter in the food production, because we all know that we get food from not only from crops or plants but also from animals. So there are various branches of agriculture which are dealing with the raising and of animals in order to obtain various essential products, because we get also from animals food like either in the form of meat or milk or egg. So these means the raising the animals on a large scale, and their management and how to rear them properly, that whole science or that whole branch of agriculture, it is called animal husbandry. And in this animal husbandry we'll study about the various different branches, like sericulture. Sericulture is especially related to the large scale production of the silkworm. You all know that silk is especially used as a fiber for making clothes. And so large scale production of silkworm, that is called sericulture, and Bombix morai we all know about. It is the main silk moth we can say, and they are reared in a large scale. Second one is the apiculture, that we will discuss in detail also in the next class. Apiculture means rearing of honeybees on a large scale, because from honeybee we get honey especially, and other products also we get from honeybee. So rearing of honeybee on a large scale, that is called apiculture. And this rearing of honeybees, they are done in the apiary wooden box which are prepared artificially. The third one is the pisciculture. Pisci means it is related to fish, means large scale production of the fish for the meat, their meat and other purpose for the oils. So that is called pisciculture. So this is also related to animal husbandry. And next one is the poultry and livestock. Poultry and livestock means especially the animals or the chickens, turkeys, ducks, geese. They are raised on a large scale, or they are reared on a large scale for their meat as well as egg. In the poultry farming, we will study about the layers as well as the broilers. So next one is the livestock farming. Livestock farming is mostly related to rearing of domesticated animals, as we reared animals like sheep, goat, buffaloes, pigs for their meat, for the milk and various other purposes. So this whole branch of science of farming, in which the livestock, that is the sheep, goat, buffaloes, they are reared on a large scale, they are called livestock farming, and they are reared for many purposes, especially for the milk production and for other purpose also. So this whole branches, sericulture, apiculture, pisciculture, poultry farming or livestock, as well as livestock farming, rearing domesticated animals, this all, what are the different techniques and what are the different management practices which are involved in these, that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you for today.